Hey everyone, this is Heather. Sorry for the raspy voice and everything. I've been under the weather with allergies and yuck. So I was reading the comments on my other video from last week, and wow, someone sure sounds bitter. Could be because everyone she loves is leaving her and everything. She doesn't have many friends. Misty, that's what you get when you have these temper tantrums. Nobody wants to be around you. Sure, Nikki Knopfsteiner wants to be around you, but come on. How many other people want to be around somebody that throws 2-year-old temper tantrums? That's exactly what you sound like, a 2-year-old. And as you can still see, I have my phone. Hi. And I have my computer. It's in my backpack behind me. Misty is really, really bitter about that because she didn't get her way about having them taken away. Ha ha. Oh, and Misty, my phone's a hotspot so I can get on the internet. Ha ha. Oh, yuck, I know. One of the, that's one thing about the allergies. Yuck. And Calabium, I don't care if you make fun of this video. Who cares, dude? You're like 12 years old in your mindset. Nothing you say makes sense. And I'm thinking that Calabium is Melissa Zayas or Clifford Jones. Whoever it is, fuck off. Fuck off. Nobody cares what you say or do. Everybody is thinking that you're a little kid with nothing better to do than troll other people. No one cares. Oh, one of the comments made me laugh heartily. Misty said, "What an ugly room for an ugly face." Yeah, hello. Bitter much? Is it because that I have long hair with no gray, no white, and Misty is jealous of that? Have you seen her, what she looks like lately? Go to Marissa Stevens, and you'll see a woman that is my size and has completely white hair. And it's short and white hair. She looks like a dude. Oh, I'm having fun with this video. Anyway, those comments sound like, oh, she's just bitter. She's just bitter. I feel sorry for her because I have these friends that I like, and she almost has no one except her kids, and that's because they have no choice but to be there. I'm sure that if they had the choice and they were older, they would probably take off like Trisha did. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here and now. It's a short video, but I can hardly speak out loud because of my vocals. It's just, yeah, it's the allergy season. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.